more racism is never the answer to racism. Fighting racism is the answer. Less racism is the answer. But we do not agree that you can remedy past racism, or even if you can show current racism, by discriminating against a new group. The Equal Protection Project, which is equalprotect.org, is a new project of the Legal Insurrection Foundation. I am the founder of the Legal Insurrection Foundation. We're best known for our Legal Insurrection website, as well as criticalrace.org. And in many ways, forming and launching the Equal Protection Project was an outgrowth of the other work we've done, tracking and monitoring what's happening with critical race theory in the United States, how it has spread, how concepts based on critical race theory have racialized almost everything in our society. What we began to notice, because we get a lot of tips at criticalrace.org, is outright discrimination in the name of diversity, equity, and inclusion. So diversity, equity, and inclusion sound very nice. They're very flowery terms, but particularly the equity part, we're now seeing reports of outright discrimination against white applicants, white students, others based on race. And that goes against everything that we stand for. We are against racial discrimination, regardless of who it is targeting. But the fact that it is becoming so pervasive now and so open and unapologetic that it was really troubling. Fighting against equity discrimination is the civil rights issue of our time. It's the civil rights issue of our time, not only because there are people being discriminated against on the basis of race. That would be bad enough. But it goes to the issue of who we are going to be as a society. Are we going to go back to the 1940s and 1950s, but substitute one racial group as the target rather than another? And I don't believe, and we don't believe, that that is where we should be heading. So equity discrimination, discriminating against people on the basis of race to achieve some sort of equal outcome, really takes us back to the 1950s. And we don't want to go there. We've made tremendous progress. Our country is not, as some people claim, systemically racist. In fact, we are systemically not racist. People have to fight back. There is no future for this country in a system where you discriminate against people in order to get even or to take retribution on other people. That's not the answer to society. So don't give up hope. We're going to fight this. We're going to organize against it. There are other groups doing it also. I think we're the only one actually specifically focused on it. But don't give up hope. Keep fighting. Don't give up the country to this pernicious ideology.